Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix ChatGPT login loop on iPhone and Android. On an iPhone, what you want to do is open your settings, go all the way down to apps. And once you've done that, scroll all the way down until you find ChatGPT. Once you find ChatGPT, tap on the application and then make sure that background app refresh is turned on. The other thing you want to do is again go into your settings and then head straight into your general settings, and inside of iPhone storage, then you want to look for ChatGPT one more time. Once you simply go ahead and find the ChatGPT application, all you need to do is simply go ahead and select it. And once you select it, you want to simply go ahead and offload the application. If you're wondering how to do it, all you need to do is select the ChatGPT application first, and then tap on the offload button right over here. If none of it works, then you might need to simply go ahead and toggle your internet connection. Try toggling between your Wi-Fi and your cellular data. Also, always ensure that VPN is turned off. And if none of it works, simply go ahead and uninstall and reinstall the application on both mobiles. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.